Oh, hi, Mark. Oh, hi, Mark.
Huh? Wait, why does it not like the scene? Oh no. Well, hello! Welcome in! Hey, can you go bar just for my own sanity's sake? Is it doing the thing again? No, listen. Okay, well, that's great. So I need to talk to Dizzy. Because this, well, no, this might be me. Welcome in, everybody. Today we're just doing co-worky stuff. No. This might actually be me because I added Lowies yesterday and I need to figure out like what the actual error message is. Actually, I can do that right now. I have the overlay open that too. Okay, so here's the deal. We're gonna do a couple of things today. One, because I was a little indecisive. Teehee. And the other thing is that I have been invited to guest on the Ballad Vintage Vol for the one shot tomorrow. So I need to make a character for that. And then Twitchmata stuff. Watch my Twitch. So yeah, welcome in, everybody. That's the deal. So welcome in everybody. Welcome Darkseid. Welcome Eli. Welcome Ali. Hello Sage. Howdy Risto. I hope you're well. Tickets. Hi Senpai. Welcome in. Man, nobody's been following Syphilis, even though we've been trying to like promote Syphilis, which kind of fucked up. I thought we were a better community. Sure, Pimpolari. Welcome in. Well, we're good. Yeah, so things might be a little broken. Splasher, welcome in. We think Syphilis is great. Yeah, of course. Way to bird to lead. It's just my friends playing D&D. Everybody calm down. I know a few bug chasers. I know what that means. Yeah, so, broken? Not the, it's fine, don't worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna start the overlay, and I'm most likely going to see what the issue is immediately. Hey, can somebody write something in chat? Just be like, ba beep, yeah. Custom rats or rat item has not been assigned, probably to, Honest. Wait, it still makes the clone. Wait, where does it put it? Oh, it's just there. Well, okay, so it's an error. I see it's fine. Can't spell syphilis without schley. Yeah, so that's the deal. We're just gonna be working on a little bit of things today. And, yeah, I hope that I can drag Dizzy into a call at some point. They don't have to talk. I just think it would be easier to do it in a more direct way, because Twitchmata's been a little fucky-wucky, and apparently it's only Doig and I who have the problem. So, luckily, hopefully, we can get it fixed tonight. And then I'm gonna treat Dizzy, because Dizzy really wants expansions to the song note thing. So we can also do that. Empanadas, hello, welcome in. God, I need to fix that. I need to fix that thing really quick. Okay, so you know what? Fuck it. Let's do this real quick, and then we're gonna do other things. There is this slight issue that because of the new lighting system, there's something in the compiler that means that every time I open up Unity and make a fresh build, it takes about 20 minutes. Every build after that in the open session is fine. It's just like immediately. Also, everybody's in here, they're just invisible, so don't worry about it. Whoop! There we go. All right. So, don't worry about it. Is it the global illumination cache? Maybe. Roger streaming. Yeah, that happens quite a bit. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's not atypical. It is more atypical. It's a typical thing. Okay, so let's see. The variable custom rats of rat ident has not been assigned. You probably need to assign the custom rats variable to the rat ident script. So this is happening in here. My C drive is an SSD. Well, it shouldn't, because it's all baked lights. It's all baked lights, so it shouldn't be the problem. So this is not the issue, because well, it says it's not the issue, but I know it's the issue. Because I can see that the rats are here. They're just not here, you know? So the only thing it's not grabbing is the actual rat model. It grabs the name and everything else. But it's something in the rat ident. There. What happened here? Why is there a none here? Stand in. Wait, actually, is that the same for everyone? Yeah, that's just none for some reason. I wonder what happened. Oh well. Should be a quick fix in that case. So it's number element 10. Boop. Why none red? Why none red? That is a good question. I mean, the reason why I immediately suspected that it was the rats. Ow! First of all, rude. The reason why I suspected it was rats is because I finished Laui's yesterday and I've implemented it, and it looks like this. So, you know, the question is why it's gone. Rep pile. Doo. So number 10 is after Renee bot here. Wait, these are not in order. Wait, it's Laui's in here. Is that the issue? It is Laui's that's not here. Doot. And then we'll just take this one and put back. Boop. We'll take this one and close. And then I'll play. If somebody could type something in chat, that would be super poggers. PP poo poo, PP poo poo. Also, hi Draco. Welcome in. Something in chat. All right, works again. Boop. Jesus Christ. Yeah, okay, it works. All right, so now we do the slow thing, which is I'm going to press file, I'm going to press build and run, I'm going to save, and now we wait about 20 minutes for the overlay to be done. It's fine. I'm just going to close the overlay in the meantime. Wee! All right, so hi everybody. How are we doing today? I should probably do housekeeping. Welcome in, everybody. As mentioned, we're kind of just doing a bunch of stuff today, so I'm just gonna try and keep a pretty somewhat chill vibe. No promises. And in the meantime, we're doing a couple little things. Hopefully, we can get Dizzy in at some point to just stress test the Twitchmata. And in the meantime, I can talk about what's happening tomorrow, because I will yet again be blessing you all with the experience of being on Lady V's channel for the one-shot, most likely a one-shot Ballad of Vennersfall, where it is spearheaded by Doik playing Scrambles, and the idea is that we are doing an investigation and we're all going to be animals. So for most of them, they are animals. We're talking Doik, India, Artie, and me, if I understand correctly. And we're all gonna be animals. And the unfortunate situation is that I am joining because Reb has gotten sick and ill and is probably not gonna be ready for tomorrow. So V asked me yesterday if I could sub in for Reb, and I said, you know my standards, you know my standard rates. It's nothing. I just want to be with my friends. So yeah, so that's the deal. I said, yeah, of course. Yeah, we're wishing a swift recovery for Reb. Risto also brought me this wonderful. Me too. Wait a minute. Is that Lovesick like a dog? Speedrunner of the Shogaman destruction? Huh? Is that Lovesick I'm seeing right there? What is it, like 215 or something? Pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. I like Ferg. Yeah. It took 5 years, but COVID finally got to Reb. At least based on the test that they took. So we're wishing a swift recovery. They're in good spirits, just not in a state to be on a show. Shouldn't. Damn. I'm training Reb's chat. Chase the COVID away. Let's bug chase the COVID away. Yeah, so the idea is that I'm making a level 2 character, but I'm basing it off of a dog, or a mastiff, to be fair. And that's essentially what we're doing. I have some ideas, but if anybody has any, like, fun additions, we can talk about it, you know? It's not gonna be, it's actually, okay, so I am going to be playing Tuft, which is the shepherd dog for Svante. And a certain someone, I'm not gonna name names, Artie, has been very kind and made a Fugi for me. So this is the breed of dog. This is the breed of dog, and I got very excited because this is a good dog. This is a good ass dog. Yeah, so this is the breed of dog. Oh my god. It's like, holy fuck. Oh my god, look at him. Look at that little princess. Bleh. 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 Good dog. And Artie has been very kind and made a Fugi for me. So actually, you know what? Let's set up the Fugi. Kind of hops adjacent. It's pretty hop coated. Karen ass haircut. Yeah. What the hell is the vibe? Let's go to awesome. It's pretty good. Let me actually, I'll quickly make the Fugi and then we can just make sure that that one works. Fugi needs access to all my stuff, which is fine. Do I even have, no, I need to change, well, this one, I'm using that for silly things. Let's see. I need you, and I need you. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. And then we'll go here. We'll take you, change you to this one. Wait, this is the speaking image. Speak. And I'll. And then we'll probably. Can we just like? Well, probably should delete. Okay, fine. Delete the model. And I. Oh. There we go. Let's change into that one. And then I should probably also change it so include my own in group view. There we go. And then I can just kind of, you know what, I'm gonna occupy this space. There we go. There we go. It is constantly screaming, which is not supposed to do. You saw my dude today? Wingle! Well, I don't want to say Wingle is my dude, but I will say nobody talks shit about Wingle. Let's see. Let's actually modify Fugi Hill just a little bit. And by that I mean this has stayed its course. There we go. We need to change the filters on you. Filters. There we go. What are you reacting to? Morph? It's not really doing much. What are you detecting? What are you detecting? Oh, okay, Discord is being weird. Okay, so it's like, okay, there is, okay, you know what, can we do like can we clear a cache? We're gonna do a clear cache. Scratching his anal gland. Listen, already made it. Morph? You're supposed to be silent. What are you detecting? Wait, do I need to go into my Discord settings? No, that's pretty good. Is this what love from first witness feels like? Ooh. Wait, did I fuck up on the Fugi? Ah! Hello! Hello, Mix! Welcome in! Welcome in! We're building the overlay because it was currently broken. Welcome in. Welcome in, everybody. My name is Renee right here. We're currently rebuilding the overlay because I made a fucky wucky yesterday and broke everything. But we're building it. Unexpected stream. No. It's Thursday. This is my novel. Not the overlay. It's fine. It's fine. I was the one who broke it and I fixed it and it's being fixed.
Oh, hi, Mark.
In the meantime, hello everybody. My name is Renee right here. If you can wait like, I don't know, 12 more minutes, I can show you what my overlay usually looks like. But for now, fucking Thursday. You're right. I'm so right. For now, welcome in. We're doing a little co-worky thing today because I couldn't decide which game I wanted to play, and I have a bunch of things that I wanted to do. One is that I will be joining in on a one-shot tomorrow over on Lady V's channel. Sage, if you could give a shout out for Lady V. Where I'll be playing a dog, and I'll be playing together with some other friends, and we are animals trying to do a little investigation. So I'm doing that right now. I said the yes for it yesterday. So I need to make a character, and Farty Arty, friend of the channel, made a Fugi, which seems broken, but then again, there's a lot of things happening. Things all broke for me as well. You crash riders almost. What class am I thinking? So I am to make a level 2 character, and I am going for making a bard. The idea being that I'm going to specialize in charm and thunder damage, because whenever my dog smiles and wags a tail, that's a charm, and whenever it barks, it's a thunder. So I am like, I was talking to V about it, and V was like, oh, you've been around like elves, you could be casting magic. And I'm like, no, I don't want to be a dog that casts magic. I just want to be a dog. So the idea is that I'm just going like oof, and then thunder damage. Bark, bark, woof, woof, woof. Yeah, exactly. Okay, the Fugi seems to be somewhat getting to it. Level 2 bark. Yeah, about that. Yeah. Getting to play a specific Joe. Gosh, no. Don't cry. I am just dog. Yeah, it also seems like the Fugi's a bit more receptive now. Oof. Oof. Yeah, so that's the deal. We're gonna make a little bard, and then hopefully later on we'll be joined by Dizzy, because we're currently working on we're using a plugin that Dizzy was making, Dizzy's maintaining and updating, which is called Twitchmata, which makes it easier for Unity to take Twitch events and go in. And Twitchmata has been a little bit broken ever since they changed over to Event Sub. So we have some persistent issues, and Dizzy would appreciate if I could just be here and we could work through it together. So that's also part of it. Method acting, yes. Don't woof. Woof. So yeah, if you just kind of want to join in, yeah. Hey, Sage, how the fuck did I know that this was exactly the video you were going to post? Don't woof. Woof. I want to hear it. I want you to hear it. Good morning, Tough Yay. Yeah, Reb. Woof. Yeah, I was talking to V about it, and I think the first couple of mentions was that you were planning on playing the cat. I forgot the name. I forgot the name. But I thought, you know what? If you ever wanted to do this, I wanted to leave the cat for you. So I went with Tuft after talking a little bit about it. Woof. So I'm making a don't a woo, but Chester the cat. Thank you. Yes, because you recently saved Chester the cat. But yeah, no, I'm going with Tuft.
Oh, hi,
just to kind of make sure that you can
oh, hi, Mark.
Get the cat you wanted. Ah, fever broke. Ah, that's good. We like to hear that. We like to hear when the gamers are healing. Ow. Ow. Yeah, of course, yeah. And then I was talking to Artie because I was getting very self-conscious, very cute, like very quickly, because I was like, everybody else has like so good foogies and I'll have nothing, and I don't have the 2D drawing skills to kind of fill up with that. And I was like, I don't know, I think we'll just all crab out something. I was like, hey, can you help me? And Artie was like, yeah, of course. Oh, okay, so apparently Fugi is just a little wonky donkey today. Don't worry about it. Artie's good. Artie's pretty good. Yeah. Whoops. So yeah. So I have a base stat that I'll be using, which is for the Mastiff. And then I'll give it a level up and pick out some things because I'm playing Tuft as a bard. So this is my base yet. Your dog is easy to kill. Morph. Oh, and Fugi's broken. His breathing is loud.
Do you wish your dog was immortal? Immortal dog! Your dog is easy to kill. Cars, bombs, dog trucks, these aren't secrets. All of these things can will kill your dog. Calling is for white people. That's why you need to make your dog immortal. Here's what you do. Send them scissors! We'll grind up his feet and
Jesus Christ.
It's clear when we send it. Do not drink it. Juice is for the dog. Then give him the gym. Now he wants it. Put him in a box while he sleeps for 5 dog weeks. Dog box! You'll hear a human voice coming from inside the
Who the fuck made this?
His breathing is loud. He stares at the sun. Blinking deep in the forest. And he'll be in your car by the time you get back. He won't trust you now. For only $150. You fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Man.
What are you talking about? Cat, what's the problem?
Forever.
Cat, I don't know what the problem is. Also, welcome to I've rebranded my channel. We're just doing dog content now. Oh, dude, was your damn dirty dog, you? Dog? Yeah, no, dog. We're moving over to dog content. The power of thirst energy is real. 3 int. Yeah. Hey, don't worry. Hey, Eli. I'm supposed to be a bard. I'm supposed to be a bard. We're not going for good stats today. We're not going for good stats today. I'm gonna be so fucking stupid. Yeah, listen. Charisma is a dumb stat. Everybody knows it, especially like bards. I don't know, just Lamau, just roll good, I guess. Sploot, we're going for cartoon logic, so don't worry about it. Hey, it's the fucking pot over. All he know is a woo. Yeah. So yeah, no, it's pretty chill. Is this for the one shot? Arr! Yes, it is. I have 1 brain cell and I go a woo. Let me double check what V wrote because I need to figure out like what sort of leveling I'm doing. Wow, okay, Discord is just having a time. Use the stat array for a Mastiff. Okay, so this is just a stat array, and then we'll just do 2 levels. That's good. These are not terrible stats. They're not good either. Eli. They're not good. They're not bad, but they're not good.
Woof, hey. Woof, bork, bork, I would like treats and also smell your anus.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Woof, woof, bork, bork.
Me too. Why am I a dog? Kieran, first of all, that's a really fucking rude question coming from a goddamn bird. What about HP? I mean, I think I mean, bards do have 1d8 as a base stat, so I think that's fine. I'll just like roll stats for it. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Hey, Eli, it's a one shot. It's fine. Kieran, it's because I'll be joining in on the Ballad of Ennerswald one shot tomorrow, and I need to make a character. Yeah. The goal is not to encounter combat. Yeah, like for that like extension, I'm going to pick bard spells that will make it so that I can just kind of avoid combat at all. If I roll the stats for a regular character, I rip the sheet to have him roll again. Yeah, I generally prefer rolling stats because I like the chaos of it. That means 8 plus a D. Oh, I'm not gonna change that. Well, V said use the base. Wait, what did V specifically say? Can we juice out 3? Can we juice out like 3 more hit points out of this baby boy? The stat array. We're using the stat array. You better rename the class to Bard. Hey, yeah, no, yeah, totally. How am I going to cast anything? Very poorly. Very poorly. Very poorly. Very poorly. That's how I'm going to cast stuff. Very poorly. Yes, Darkbolt, you're right. I forgot that little aspect. Y'all should not be encountering combat, please God. Hey, Reb, I don't know how you play D&D, but I rip ass. I don't know. Listen, I want options. I want options. If I am meeting somebody, I want options. Dog. Sounds stupid, I'm in. Listen, I'm gonna go for stupid. 1d6 from a 2-story window would not be good. Eli, you need to understand too, I'm fairly certain that V cannot kill me because I'm a dog, and if V kills me, like, no, like, you cannot kill the dog.
I mean, Tuft is a good boy.
Tuft is a good boy. Perfect plan. It's better than plot armor. It's dog armor. Dog armor. You know what? Let me. Can I? You know what? Let's just. Whoop. There we go. Let's just make sure that he really fucked up his own spelling. There we go. Tuft, you can be over here. You can be part of the show.
Dag.
Yeah. So again, I'm not. This is not supposed to be a combat one shot like at all. This is supposed to be silly funny, and I'm gonna go for silly funny. Tuff can't fucking spell. He's a fucking stupid. He got fucking 3 in. He's a dumb dog. Move. Can you always keep the dog he's cute on stage? No, Ale. I am the main character. So what are we doing? Chat, what are we doing? Should we like do something? Yeah, we probably should. I know I'm getting access to the foundry at some point, so I'm not gonna like set up a stat and everything, but I guess.
Does the puppy want the ball?
What ball? Ball? Where? Where's the brooms? Where's the brooms? We got raccoon thief, frog, and a dog so far. Artie is going to play their familiar, which is a bird. So we have raccoon, frog, dog, bird. Where's the bird?
Why you not catch ball?
Why you not give ball? Give ball to... Ow. Fucking stop throwing the ball at me. Throw the ball at Tuft. Tuft likes it. Ball. 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 Murph. Earth. 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 Line the bird, Mr. Percent the toad who eats money, and scrambles the raccoon rogue. Yeah. And now, Tuft, the dog, who is trained as a bark. This one shot makes me think of root TRG. I was honestly thinking about Honey Heist based like when I heard it the first time around. I was thinking about Honey Heist. Dread Pirate Bandit Queen Chun Hameson. Thanks. Yeah, whoop. Well then. Wait. Hey, lesbian. Could you like join back here? I didn't see you dance and I got worried. There you go. There you go. Where are you? Oh. Are you dancing? You're not dancing. I should probably look into that. It might be just your own. The other lesbian. Yeah, the super legendary lesbian. Boop, boop. Super legendary soup. That might be me having forgot to add in. You know, let's do that first. Yeah, I straight up forgot I forgot to add an animator on this one. Oops. Listen, there's a lot of rats in here. If it makes you feel better, I think that on Sunday we can open up the queue again, which means that people can get custom rats. It is in a situation where it can only be redeemed once per stream, so I'm not going to get 3 redeems in at the same time. And I would probably ask people who already have a custom rat to kind of wait it out. But yeah, we're getting to a point where we can open up. And there. And if I understand my own malignancies correctly when it comes to Unity, if I push a build now, that should just be fixed. And it shouldn't take 20 minutes this time. Doop.
But Renee,
there we go.
I got so many points. I can't hold them all in my
Why do
tiny
they call it
little
oven
rat
when you have in the
arms?
cold food of out hot eat the food?
Darkvolt, just buy cheese for everybody. Oh, oh, ow, 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 ow. Thank you for ticket. Tuft loves it when you give tickets. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Thank you for tickets. Tuft is happy when you give tickets. Why are you not dancing?
Give bets to Tuft.
I'm giving pets to Tuft. Okay, you know what? Let's do this for real. Super lesbian, type something. Doggo. Yeah. I'm Pavling. Wait, actually, let's double check if. Wait. Nope, get back here. Is nobody dancing?
Oh, hi, Mark.
Is nothing. Okay, so Darkvolt. What the fuck is going on? Why are you not? Okay, so that's you, which has there. Why do you not have? Why do you not have anything? You don't even have the rat handler. Rat pile. Oh wait, so it should be this one. No, this one doesn't have anything. Huh? Oh! Oh, wait. I think I might know what the issue is. Let's put you back in here. And let's say that it might be calling the wrong one. Dude. Okay. Let's try that again. Diva was dancing earlier. Yeah. That's why I was confused. Lesbian, give me your biggest high, followed by a dance, please. Let's see. Rep clown. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so that was the issue. I linked in the wrong model. Cool. All right, we'll make this build just quickly. Dude. Save. All right. Success. Okay. Now we're gonna make a bard. Which I'll probably just do like on scratch paper, because if I'm punching it into Foundry afterwards, I might as well just like whoa. Burp. All right. Should I just do it? Yeah, I'll just do it in my OneNote. Make a little new thing here. Doot. We'll just call this D&D Scratch. Alley-oop. All right. Wait. There we go. All right. So we have an array. On int with cha, and that array has been modified, so we don't need to think about that. 14. I haven't used Foundry before, so I don't know how much of it is automated. So I'm just gonna assume it is. Plus, well, 12 and 7. Oh god, that would be good. A lot is automated for you. That is good to know. It's a good system. Okay. Depends on the module. Shit. Well, I don't know. Right. Okay. So AC 12. HP will modify that a bit. Speed 40. We got speed on this bubber. Don't need to add initiative. I'm probably. Let me see here. Wee. Fast the fuck, boy. I'm not gonna add skills because that's gonna be based on the bard. I'm probably gonna add senses. That makes sense. Because that's like a racial thing. So we'll just say dark vision 60 and passive perception is not a sense that we're gonna add in, so that's fine. Language not applicable. Have a go food, Thule. V said that bite will still be applicable, so I'll just like quickly add that in. Which is probably something that'll just be manually typed in, so this is gonna be fine. Attack roll. Yeah, that's gonna be proficiency plus that, and yes, so that's fine. Reach 5. Everybody loves talking about reach. It's 1d6 plus 1, which is probably plus strength. Piercing. And then medium or smaller creature gets prone. Get prone, idiot. Okay, so now that's gonna be what we get for this. So now let's start talking about D&D 5e Bard. Quick question: does anybody know about the new rule set? If there is anything important to like know for a level 2 Bard? Because I don't know anything about the 2024 rule set. Not about new ones. Yeah. Aren't doing new yet. Oh, thank Christ. That's gonna make it easier. okay to do older stuff. I would prefer to do older stuff. Okay, so let's see. Let's just start by, well, no, let's make the level 1 first. Okay, so level 1, HP is gonna be plus Constitution modifier, so that's gonna be a total of 9. Because Spard is a D8, if I remember correctly. 5e.tools. Yeah, I think that also pops up. It's gonna be important for a spell list, but for now I'm just using D&D Beyond's own site for this. Spellcasting. Okay, so I'm very uncharismatic, so we need to figure that out. I'm gonna ignore all of these for now. Well, probably should add the saving throw. Saving throw and 3 skills. We can talk about which skills would make sense. 5e tools, my beloved. Should I just get that? Should I just open? It's fine. Dex, cha, fine. Skills, any 3. Good. Skills, I'll just put in 3. Thank you, Sage, for permitting the term lick butthole. I'm gonna ignore the equipment. Spellcasting. I just need to know if it's gonna stop me with my stupid as fuck charisma. It seems to not be restricted. Yeah, okay, so that's more of a wizard thing. Your saving throws and spells is going to be low. It's fine, Eli. It's fine. I know. I'm going to use the worst possible kind of spells. Yeah, no, listen. It's fine. Spell save DC, which is going to be 9. Chasing squirrel, taking that butt scoots. Professional. Bardic inspiration. That's where it gets a little fun. Bardic inspo. I got a couple of them. Eli, don't give me math right now. Don't give me math right now. Don't fucking whatever. This rules. Yeah, it's pretty good. Bardic Inspiration, which is a D6. How many of those do I have? I'm just giggling. Don't worry about it. It's fine. I will say, just to calm everybody down, I did ask V, hey, can I just swap the Wisdom and Charisma around? And V was like, nah. I was like, fuck. Fine. Whatever. Fuck me if I wanted just like a plus or whatever. Boo, 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 boo. Bonus action. La la la. 60 can hear you. Bardic Inspiration. How many do I have? English feature equal to a charisma modifier, a minimum of once. I got 1. Alright, we got 1 of those. So that's spellcasting Bardic. Yay for minimum. Yippee! Okay, now it's getting interesting. Now it's getting interesting. Bards, spells, 5e. I think I know which cantrips I'm gonna pick for. I'm just wanna see if there's like a... Okay, this is gonna be fucked up because I'm gonna not pick Vicious Mockery, which feels blasphemous. But I don't feel like Tuft got a negative bone in his body, so getting Vicious Mockery just seems wrong. So I was thinking Friends and Thunderclap. Aww, yeah. Friends, because the idea would be that Tuff would just smile at you and wag tail, and then you would just be like, friend! And Thunderclap would basically be, I bark real bad. Yeah. Friends and that. Huge pork, big pork. Tom Cardy's song about... Which one? Not even peeing pointedly at someone's foot? No. Is there anything... If Tuff were to use Vicious Mockery, we would need to be reflavored into Puppy Dog Eyes. Yeah, I don't know. It also feels interesting to not pick Vicious Mockery, even though I love Vicious Mockery because of the roleplay of you get to like literally burn someone with your chic nastiness. Oh, perception check. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Okay. So this is also great because somatic and material. I liked. Okay. I'm a little sad that Fred doesn't have a vocal component because I would fully argue that somatic component is wagging my tail and the vocal is morph. And that would be it. For duration, your advantage for all charisma checks. I need them. During one cure. The reason why Friends is also great is because there's no save against this. It's just they will fucking hate you afterwards, which is fine. Alright, so I'm assuming. Hey Reb, do you know if the Foundry module you're using, does it have like, can I just look up friends and add friends as a spell list and then I don't have to type out a bunch of shit? They can't hate you after you're just a little guy. Exactly. Yes, thank Christ. Okay. Cantrip. Twins. Vicious Mockery as a dog is just this. Yeah, but like if I was okay, so this is my logic behind this. If I had been a Chihuahua, I would have picked Vicious Mockery as the first thing. But I'm a big shepherd herd dog. I need to. I don't have Vicious Mockery in me. Thunderclap, very good. Just borf. Yeah. Flames and Thunderclap. All right. Those were the easy ones. How many did I have? I know 4 spells and I have 2 slots. Chihuahua's vicious everything. Yeah, that's true. You know what? Let's just pick out 5 because then I have myself covered for a second level. Thunderclap, friends. Okay, first level. Bad bonus. That's so true. Okay, so this is how I usually go about when I go for spellcasters. I look through the whole list. I mention everyone that like this one makes sense, and then I weed them out afterwards. So we'll just be like, first, animal friendship. That seems like a good one. When another dog gets close to him, yeah. Animal friendship. I'm not super fan of it, but I'm gonna add it in because it seems applicable. Bane, no. Charm person. Charm person is high on the list. Charm person. It's high on the list because you're just dog. You're just woof. So here's also the thing. Tuft is a shepherd, so command makes a lot of sense to me. Yeah, no, command just makes a lot of sense because Tuft is going to be like doing this to sheep all the time. So yeah. Do I have a dog PNG tuber now? No, this is just for tomorrow, for the one shot, and already made Tuft Fuki, and I just added it, and it's pretty good. So command is gonna be there. Comprehend languages, not at all. Cure wounds. There is an argument for like if I lick somebody's wounds and it heals. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. Probably not gonna pick it, but you know. Tech magic, no. Disguise. Well. No, I can't smell magic. That seems stupid. You know what? Let's put it in a maybe pile. Tuft has been living together with fey creatures for most of his life, so there might have been some sort of like I can smell magic. Why would it be stupid? I as much as possible just want this to be a normal ass dog. As much as possible, I just want a normal ass dog. That's what I want. What the fuck is distort value? I've not seen this spell before. You cast a spell on your move. Isn't that just prestidigitation? Whatever. Ass dog. All he know is stupid and a woo. The fall, guiding hand, healing word. I like heroism. I like this joyous dog who just like bark bark. You're so great. It's like thank you, dog. Woo woo. I have now temporary hit points. Long Strider also makes a lot of sense to be able to run real fast. I think Long Strider, is that the one that gives me dash or the one that just gives me 10 extra feet of movement? I think it's the 10 extra. Yeah, okay. So I can run potentially 50. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Heroism, all the buffs are going to do well with your stats. I mean, there is that too. There is that too. Yeah, 10 more feet. Yes. Yeah, for Long Strider, which puts me at 50. Which... Eldritch Doggy. I mean, it's just the idea of having a dog that can run after a sheep that has gotten a little too far away. Long Strider makes sense. Doggo goes into overdrive and goes. Speak when I don't sleep. Silvery barbs. Silent image. Sense emotion. Oh, but sense emotion, maybe. Silvery barbs. I don't remember what that one. It's like you say a thing. Sleep. Will Tuft have a small cask of amber? No, it's not a mountaineer dog. It's not a mountaineer dog, so wouldn't have that. Thunder Wave, definitely look at that one. Unearthly Chorus. I think Sleep doesn't have a save. Yeah, but it's for Sleep, it's a matter of how do I want to flavor it. My best guess is that the dog just does a yawn and a big stretch, and then everybody else like also gets a little sleepy and then pop. Which could also be fun. I do like Sense Emotion. Does Tuft have a good growl for deterrent? Yes. So I've given him Thunderclap as a cantrip, just to kind of emphasize that it has a good bark. So any sort of like loud sounds, that's what I'm going for. I don't think I've ever cast Thunder Wave and not fucked something up. That's what Thunder Wave is for. That's kind of why I'm also interested in Thunder Wave, just because it's just a bigger bark. And yeah, like it is self from a 15-foot cube, so it's also vocal and somatic, so I just like, you know, bristle and I go bark. Oh, Tuft is announcing that ads are incoming, apparently. Thunderbark! Orc. Let's see here. Okay, I think I can start remove. Well, okay. What is Unearthly Chorus? Music of your style, choose a... Nah, that's stupid. I don't want that. That's not for a dog. Silvery Barbs. You magically distract the triggering creature and turn its momentary uncertainty into encouragement for another creature. The triggering creature must re-roll a d20 and use the lower roll. You can then choose a different creature and see what in range. Horse could be a howl. Yeah, I was thinking like just... I mean, it would give me the opportunity to just... But I would need to have them succeed on charisma saving checks, which my DC is 9. So I'm like, I'm slightly leaning away from things that require checks because it's gonna be bad. Silvery Barbs also needs a... Oh, there's no save for that. There is no save for that. What's that? Tuft Horatius falling down the well? Yeah, distracting port. Yeah, I do see it. I do like sense emotion. I do like sense emotion. Just the idea that it is like this hyper perceptive awareness of like, huh, human sad. Human sad. Human sad must know. Or dogs are people pleasers. Imsh. Longstrider. I'm gonna add sense emotion. I'm gonna add sense emotion on the list. Borf. Probably not gonna add silvery barbs. But Thunderwave is definitely under the list. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I only have 5. Animal friendship, you're out. Animal friendship, you're a nerd. Charm person, you're in. Command, you're in. Cure wounds, out. Detect magic, out. Heroism, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How good is heroism? Because I'm considering... I feel like I'm gonna take heroism out. Charm person, command, longstrider, sense emotion, thunderwave. I feel like that's a good crew. That's a good crew. That's a good crew. It is mostly utility, but you know, that's how it goes. So charm person is probably... Charm person is going to be a problem because it does have a save. But command also has a save, so that's equally a problem. Longstrider, sense emotion, did that have a save on it? Oh, this is up to 1 minute. That's interesting. You tune your senses to pick up emotion levels for the duration when you cast a spell and your action. Okay, so I can go in a room and just vibe check people. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's 10 rounds. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, because essentially, I mean, I don't want to like fine tune my dog for what the information it knows, because Tuft has different information going into this event. But essentially what we're doing is we're going to investigate an individual and try and understand their, like, what their deal is. And for that, sense emotion is going to be very interesting because I can figure out if they're terrified or something. 1 minute is 60 seconds. 1 round is 6 seconds. That's so many. So the question is whether I should... No, okay, what do I love here? I love Charm Person. Command makes a lot of sense for a Shepherd Dog to have. Longstrider makes a lot of sense for a Shepherd Dog to have. Sense Emotion, I really like that too. And you know what? All these spells are fine. There's gonna be saves and they're gonna be bad, and it's fine. I would rather have spells where I don't have to like overly justify that, oh no, it's a Shepherd Dog, so it knows silvery barbs. Whatever. No, it's fine. Cool. And then Jack of all trades. Silvery barks. God damn it. You're not wrong. Song of rest. Fuck. God. We're probably not gonna have a short rest, but the idea of like, oh, we're all resting? Okay, let me do something I always did with the sheeps. And everybody heals. Because that is what Song of Rest is, right? Yeah, during short rests. Yeah, gain hit points. Yeah. Alright, yeah, no. So there's probably not gonna be short rest, but if there is, and then Jack of all trades, which means I can add 1 to every like thing. I got that dog. Took this long. Sager, kind of slipping dog. Jack of all traits, which is just a flat out 1. And I'm just gonna assume that there's like a toggle where I can just turn on that I have jack of all trades, and that's gonna do it automatically. Hopefully. And then Song of Rest. 1d6, so that's gonna be fine. All right, now comes the incredibly exciting thing. Wait, Reb, are you around? How do you normally deal with increase in HP upon level? Is that rolling, or does V prefer that you just do standard, or is that up to you? Getting tired with opposites to him. That's the night one, right? Yeah, sounds like it. I'm sorry. Roll and take the higher? Wait, how much do you roll then? Twice. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is not the one that counts. Actually, you know what? Let's just take them out. All right. Okay. Are you ready? Wait, let's put up here. You know what? Actually, let's put you on a pause and then do this thing. Super exciting music. Yeah, sure. No, don't stop it. Go, move on. Don't. I'm gonna mute you. Just play the countdown theme. I don't know if that's gonna get claimed. Do. Just, just look at teeth. I don't give a shit. Give me your teeth. Give me your teeth. Your teeth, give them to me. All right. Are you ready? We're gonna roll 2 times and take the higher. So we're looking for big numbies. We're looking for the biggest. You know what? Actually, let me move it over here. We're looking for big numbies. Stop it. We're looking for big numbies. Are you ready? Big numbie. That is literally disappointing. All right. Okay. Are you ready?
Big numbie.
Big numbie. Fuck. That's fine. Listen, it's a one shot. It's fine. So it's a 4. It's fine. Everybody calm down. It's a 4. There we go. Got that dog. All right, cool. So I think that's all I need for got that dog in me. Big numbie. We wanted big numbie. We got mid numbie. Don't forget the constitution
It's
modifier.
A 4 plus your constitution modifier.
Whoa, we're at a fat 14, baby. Ow! 14. That is just like my highest stat. It's fine. Cool. Let's go. Okay, so that's all the info that I need. Now, where the fuck is Dizzy? Go. Who would ever forget their con mod? Fuck. Shit. Borf. Borfums.
Fun fact. When you raise your con modifier later in the game, it retroactively gives you a +1 for every level.
Yeah, it's an often forgotten fact. I remember every time I get like a stat increase and I pick con, I'm like, oh yeah, the thing. Oh, Schnoo did not know that fun fact. Yes. I mean, it's fine. It's not like you've been like almost dying like multiple times, right? 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 Right. Absolutely, I just did this for a level 8 character and went from paper to cardboard! Ha ha ha! Murph. 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 Cool. So let's see. We're currently in a situation where Mansion gets released in 12 days.
That also applies with feats that gives you an additional con point, like toughness.
Yes. Creeper Redneck Dinosaur Mansion 3, which is another one of these strange scaffold games, is getting a release in 12 days. It's a match 3 game where you get to maybe smooch a dinosaur. Wrong this whole time. Listen, it's like if you only level up like once every third, like once every second month, and then you have to like remember specific rules each time. It's fine. I forget it. I'm gonna give a shit. It's fine. Boof. Boof. The question is if I should have some food so I'm ready for if Dizzy comes around. I don't know. Or I should fiddle with some things. I am getting hungry though. I should probably eat some food then. I will let Tuft entertain you. I don't know. Wait, I can make Tuft boot scoot. Bud scoot. Let me actually do this. Let me see. So hide there. Don't worry. You. Wait. And no, it's not properties. It's filters. Turn that on. I need to go that the other way. Yeah, there we go. Yes. 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 Yeah, what's up, India? Hi, India. What's up, India? Hey, India. I just made my character for tomorrow. How are you doing? Ow! 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 Bow wow wow wow! Ow wow wow wow!
Ow.
I'm here to say if you see a tiefling called Candor in game, you have to go and let him pet you. India, I have created a shepherd dog, who is the goodest boy. If Candor comes and wants to pet Tuft, Tuft will 100% let them pet them. Yeah. But, India, I will also warn you, I have taken the spell Sense Emotion. So if Candor has any sort of like hidden emotions, you're not fucking getting past this dog. You're not getting past this dog, motherfucker. Yeah, Sense Emotion, bitch. You can't fucking get past me. Yeah, dog. This dog came to bark, and you're gonna get the teeth. Yeah, so deep wobbly heart. Well, Tuft is gonna absolutely destroy you emotionally. What class is Tuft? So I have decided that I have built Tuft as a bard, but all the spells are flavored as just dog things. So I have Charm Person, which is me smiling, breathing heavily, and wagging my tail, because who can resist the charm of a dog? And I also have a Thunderclap and Thunderwave because I big bark. I got that empathetic dog in me! Ow! Yeah. And also because it's a shepherd dog, I also pick Command because it makes good sense. And then also Long Strider so I can catch people when I'm running. So yeah. Very excited about it. I'm gonna be that dog. You're gonna try and run away. I'm just gonna clog like 100 speed. Like yeah, and Artie made this Fugi too. Artie was very kind. Burf. 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 Ow. Ow. Burf.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Burf. Dizzy. Hello. Dizzy. Should we start on some things now? Or do we wanna have some food and then work on stuff? Tuft, I love you. Woo! Yes. What? Yes to what? I said either or and you said yes. I'm gonna assume that there was delay. Depends how hungry you are. I could go eat. But the question is if there is like, okay, so let me put it this way. If there is an idea that you have that could fix it, if we can quickly test that and then see whether it's right or wrong, because if it's wrong, I'm assuming you have to go and like change something and we can talk about that. So the question is if there's like an idea you really want to test that's going to be really quick. All things spoken, go eat. Oh, okay, so it's that easy, huh? Fucker. Also food. Okay, fair enough. Okay, in that case, Dizzy, when I get back, I am in a VC that you can see. And I'm going to say that you don't have to talk, but I think just to kind of get rid of a lot of the delay, I'm going to share my screen and we can kind of work a little bit faster. And it's less frustrating with all the delay. Okay, with that said, I'm just going to let Tuft boot scoot with this little butt. And I'm going to go get some food. And I'm going to see you back in a bit. Barf. 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 Wait, is there like a playlist for silly dogs? You have a? There must be. I feel like that's always like a kind of list. So rude. Dizzy, I am going to fucking murder you.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Silly playlist for dogs. Oh, hell yeah. POV, you're a silly dog a playlist. I don't know if that's gonna get claimed. I'm just gonna assume it might, well... Wait, Nintendo OST. There we go. Nintendo OST. I don't know what that sounds like, but you're gonna learn. Nintendo OST can be good. Send you some code. If it does it just say PB Poo Poo? Oh, the magnet mode. Ooh, thank you. I'm gonna see what I can do with that. Hey, Doig. Have you? Can you guess what I'm doing? Can you guess what I have prepared for tomorrow? Burf. 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 Okay, I'm gonna go eat some food and I'll be back in like 15 minutes. No idea? Nice. Pull, pull, push, push.
Oh, hi, Mark. Oh, hi, Mark.
Is he getting smaller?
Spider-Man, Spider-Man, woof 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 woof.
Klædt på til eventyr med Serestovet. Halsbåndet giver op til 8 måneders beskyttelse mod lopper og flåter, både til hund og kat. Og halsbåndet giver frihed til at gå på eventyr. Fås i håndkøb.
Cod haddock, 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 trout. Extra helpings of smack bumpy wet for beach glyph.
Hello, I'm back. Smack Barn Peewit? Babbage Head? Wait, who's getting Smack Barn Peewit? What's happening? Oh, Haddock. Okay, I see. Oh, hi, Disney. You're so big. No, did you get ads? I'm sorry.
Oh, hi, Mark.
I'm sorry. You shouldn't have. Let me just quickly see if there's anything I missed. Seat thyself within the golem, Shinji. Very good.
Oh, hi, Mark.
Stages. You can just start streaming basically anywhere. It's not illegal or anything. It seems illegal. Judo! Hello. Wait, did you see the frog eyes? Oh, frog. Let me see if I can just kind of check up. Hi, Blue. I have to rein it in so much as a stoic dog. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna be fine. Don't worry about it. All right. If I missed something very important, please let me know because I wasn't paying attention. Big Dizzy. How was your food? Very good. I had a sandwich with ham and cheese, and it was just very nice. It's very simple on focaccia bread because I wanted to. You wanted to. Let's see. Let's flip this around. Turn this around. There we go. There we go. Perfect. And then I'll probably turn off the scrolling. You DM'd me. Interesting. Let's see if I can't have a look at that. Aww. Wait, we're having like a full compilation of what's happening here. Let me get the screen back up. Have good rest, DV. So this is actually very helpful for me to kind of understand the dynamic. We have Mr. Present the Frog, which is apparently Squidward. Somebody can maybe confirm this. Me, Tuft, this is Dog. Line, Squirrel. And Scramble is just a combination of this whole... This is an alignment chart. It is. Okay. Let me see here. Going over to Izzy. Okay. No, TTS no working. Oh, that's what you want to do. Okay. I mean, you could also just type in the in Twitch chat because I'm going to see it faster than it appears. So you're gonna hear me, you're gonna write out, and it's gonna be fine. Also, the problem is it will be Danish TTS, so everything is gonna sound really weird. So I might prefer if you put it in the Twitch chat. That's brilliant. Which part is brilliant? Yeah. Like no, I don't want Danish TTS. It's a lot. This will learn. No, it will just speak English with a Danish accent. It's not gonna help anybody at all with anything. Danish teats. Mr. Percent. Oh, percent. I keep reading present. Because I can watch and type then. Okay, I will see if I can accommodate. I can probably just like change some monitors. If something happens with the cameras and you can't see screen anymore, please TTS yell at me because I'm probably gonna lose visuals on the actual stream of what's happening. Okay, I think this is okay, and then I need to share my screen. Exactly. Okay, no more you, more you. Then we can kind of go to you, and I can share.
Dizzy cubed.
Dizzy is cute. There we go. Okay, so this should help. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to think what's gonna work best with delay and stuff like that.
Dizzy hung.
Dizzy is hung. I'm just gonna assume that Dizzy is going to mute the stream, otherwise it's gonna be like on a delay and stuff. Delicate kind of latticy. Yeah, muted. Okay. Isn't Cod and Haddock like generally similar? I think Haddock is a little bit more flaky sometimes. You can't hear Snoo saying anything about you. I will make sure that if Snoo says anything about you, I'm gonna directly translate. Snoo did say Dizzy cute. Yeah, no, if your Haddock is Scooby and Stringy, something's wrong with it. Snoo's okay, Snoo, Dizzy's saying Snoo's fucking cute, how dare. So are we gonna do like the Twitchmata thing, or are we just gonna be like, you know, yelling niceties to each other? Like I'm all for it, but I just want to be sure that we understand what we're doing. Check if it's still doing debug. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna boot up this thing, which means that I will see if there's any sort of error. But this is also a recent build. Like I made this today, so it should also pop off. I'm just gonna send my shit. Okay, I'm just gonna cheer. First thing, okay. Should I just cheer 1 bit to myself? I know you get an error. Yeah, so this error is specific for the light thing. So anything above 2 errors is bad. 2 errors, good. Less than 2 errors, weird. More than 2 errors, interesting. Can't cheer to yourself. Damn it! Twitchmata 1? No. I probably need to like rebake the light because there's a lot of things that this one keeps yelling about, which it does not have to, but it keeps doing it. Alright. Raw JSON metadata. Okay, so this is the same thing that you also saw with Doig. I'm assuming you have a copy of this, or do I need to send this to you? Okay, same error. Yeah, I remember seeing this. So, okay. So it is consistent between what's happening between Doig and moi. So that's something. Gotta let myself half dose so I have energy to make a lentil soup with crab cakes and buttermilk dumplings in a bit. Ooh. I've also promised Dizzy that if we get this fixed, we're gonna look at the songbook and add more silliness to it. Happy fish to all who are eating fish. Hey, so generally every Wednesday I go to a fishmonger and get fresh fish from them. Then I make a dish that I eat for 2 days. I haven't done it the last 2 Wednesdays because I had to get home in a time so I could join in V for the Pokemon Smash and Pass. So I miss my fish man. I miss my fish man. So I'll be sure to buy extra fish from them next time. I can wait. No, I was about to say I know where the fishmonger stops on Fridays, but I probably also have to be quickly done Friday because I'm then also joining. Favorite fish? Yum 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 yum. I don't know. It's like one of those cases where tuna tastes very good, but also has a large accumulations of heavy metal, so I can't eat a lot of it. Just because in general. And salmon just sounds like a bitch answer, so I'm not gonna say that. Stop running the game. Uninstall Twitchmata and reinstall from that one. Okay, so that's the experimental. So that's within window. Package main ninja. Nice feast next time. Me too. No, Snoot, this is the bad kind. Okay, so remove and then install from this one. Yeah, just making sure because I know this is gonna make this is gonna make my project very mad. But I also know we've done this before. Actually, one sec. See, this is why I ask questions. But yeah, Sage showed me a recipe like a little while ago, which was like a tuna stew kind of thing. And they did something very interesting in that it made the base stew, and then you just add the fish in for like 5 minutes, and then you're done, which means that you're getting a lightly poached tuna in your stew, and it's really fucking good. Click update. Boop. Okay, so you just want to see if the thing has been changed. Okay. It's very good. It's very tasty. It's also one of those, like, this is a weird technique I've never seen before, to kind of quickly poach and stew. Might not have been the same era after all. We'll see. 1.6. I'm just gonna be doot. Okay, we have 2 errors, which are the ones that we normally see. Can somebody give me a cheer 1 in the chat, please? Okay, there it is. The method operation is not implemented. Okay, this is a new error. It's not implemented. 56. It's not implemented. Huh? Huh? Wait, is this the one that... Wait, let me check here. It's not implemented. Yeah, but why would it be mad about that? Maybe, okay, for now, let's just do this. Let's just say that it copies it, just because that's not the issue. I'm gonna head out now. Have a good one, Soph. Rest up real good. Okay. It's weird because this did not stop it previously. Maybe networking related. Well, if a networking related, it's not up to you. Can I get a cheer 1 in chat? Wait, I think it... No, maybe. I think it worked. It's just because it doesn't show unless it's like up here.
Yeah.
Can somebody else give me a cheer 1, please? Because I can't do it, and I feel mad if it's Dizzy all the time. Yeah, because it... Okay, so it's fine. So it's working. Beep beep. Okay, it's work. It's a work. Bop, 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 bop. Woo. Okay, Dizzy, does this make you more or less mad? What I'd like to try is reinstalling the experimental branch. Okay. Running some tests. Okay. Wait. Why does this not send to an instance? Oh, it might be because the rat has not spawned in the overlay. Okay, that's fine. Package manager. So remove and install from the experimental branch. Yep. All right. Now I just need to remember how to do this. Boop. Windows Package Manager. Well, this has to be from a different part. You're looking handsome today. Thank you. Okay, so this is Window Package Manager. Okay. Window Package Manager. And then plus sign. Boop. Add package from. Yeah, from URL. Oh, then okay. Well, it. Do. 8. All right, give it a hot second. It's currently giving 144 errors, which makes sense, because I did kind of rip out the beating heart of the whole overlay. But give it a bit of time. The bow at this point is an anatomically accurate labia model. Yeah. Okay. So if I run, Twitchmata does give. Oh, do I need to re-authenticate? Because it is saying your client ID was invalid, not set. Shouldn't need be. Interesting. And okay, wait. Click in. Click in what? Click in to click into this. This just goes to a lock. Neat. Which manager? What do you say? I said there, which is fine. You do want to re-authenticate. Okay. Let me do that real quick. Which is. Wait, what was it again? It was Twitchmata. There it is. Boop. Yup. Don't. Yup. Okay. Should I also do it for the bot, even though it is optional? First of all, let me just try without the bot for now, if it's gonna complain. Yeah, it does complain. Okay, fair enough. Give me a little bit more time. Wait. Sorry, this is just a lot of passwords. I always forget the one for my bot. Luckily, I wrote it down physically. Yeah. Okay. And authorize. Give it a hot second. Get a new thing. And boop. Authentication saved. Boop. All right. Still mad. It's you. Sorry. Let me push again. This is why I did this on new branch. It's fine. No worries. Close that one off. But yeah, just let me know. And I'm assuming that it would be getting back into the package manager and make sure that it's updated when it is. I mean, this is also why I wanted you in the call, so we can have like less latency. And it's fine. Chat, if you like the music, it's from Nier Reincarnation, which is the mobile gacha game tied to the Nier series. The game does not exist anymore. But Square Enix decided that they're still going to upload all the music, which is pretty pog. I would love that if there was a non-mobile version of the game, but, you know. We'll update, we'll pick it up if it's changed. Let me try. It is thinking about it. And it is doing more things. But think. I think. We're still mad. Okay, we're good. It's still 1.3.6, but it did change stuff. Rise and Regalia Lost. I hate Lost Media. So the fact that Square Enix did take the OST of the mobile gacha game that they closed down, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Mind if we do a stress test of all the stuff? No, I don't mind. So, Dizzy, if you didn't type in, okay, people type in chat, please type. Let's just see if we can register that there are users in. Okay, people are coming in, people are populating. So that part is fine. Tits, come. Big balls. Is there anything else we want to test? Should I make like a note of like what do we consider a stress test? I will never type in chat room. Fuck! Being silenced! Can people do some rat commands? I mean, it should work at this point if they populate in, so it should be fine. Chris, hello. Basically all the feature man doing their things. That does require that people subscribe, which you know how I feel about. Or is it fine to just debug stuff? Temporal Nix! Well, the raid is also working. Welcome in, Temporal! Nix! Hi, Fruits! Incoming raid works, I see. Perfect timing. Welcome in, Nix. We're currently testing the tool because Twitch updated event sub, and we're testing stuff, and it worked! Thank you! Congratulations! You were successfully part of this testing. I'm gonna let Dizzy type out a couple of things, and then I'm gonna say hi to y'all. Because... Hello. How was your stream? What were you up to? My name is Renee right here. If you don't know me, I'm today a little goblin, apparently. I have an overlay that is built in Unity, and I've made it with my 2 hands, plus all my friends who helped me with the coding, and there's also some 3D models in here made by them. You know, it's kind of a community project at this point. I think it's fair to say it's a community project. Playing Celeste! And every time I died, I had to do one weight lift. Oh. One of my very good friends, Lowy, recently started playing Celeste, and well, did he start? Did he play a long time ago? Basically, he was burning through it. He's a real gamer. 5 of whoa. How big are you? How big are you? You must be big. You must be huge. Is there like a diminishing return part where you do as many weight lifts so it starts like negatively affecting you? I am not big. Oh. But if you don't know me, I am Tweak. Well, you're less Twig now. Wait. Okay, yes, that does work. That does work. Also works in the 2 builds. If you don't know me, my name is Renee right here. I have this little overlay, which is a little theater that I made in space where you can do things with channel points, such as throw tomatoes. And it's here. It doesn't work in the big overlay because that's a build, but it does work in the thing that we're working on. When you type in chat, you'll turn into a rat. Let me see if I can find any of you in around here. Oh yeah, see, you can see Darkvolt here as a custom rat. We got you, Nix. I got you. Look, I can even take you to the fancy place, which is the VIP bar, where you're technically not allowed to be. So let's go back down to the stage. Where I do all of my shows. I do game development, video games. God damn it. Got me. Rat. Yeah, rat. Look, little rat. Little rat. If you look at the about page, you can see all the commands available to you. Ow. Okay, so that does run. Well, okay, do have it overlay running in background, run stubble. But yeah, welcome in. There we go. And boop. So yeah, we are currently making sure that the Twitch integration works properly. But yeah, right now we're all rats down here, and you can fart. And now I'm gonna look at what Daisy has been writing. Income rate working. Bits, yes. Redeems. I saw blue. Well, I can do a quick test of a redeem. Let's just see. Maybe we get emote only mode. The King in yellow says Basinga. Okay, that's fair enough. The redeem is a yes. Outgoing raids. I see a Twitchmata error. Wait. Oh yeah. That's a lot. Too many requests were made. What are you complaining about? So Okay, so there is something here in the run task command. I don't know if that helps. Also, to fixing Twitchmata, yeah, we're stress testing Twitchmata right now. I'll be updating redeem status on point stuff. Huh? So should I update a thing? Also, I'm getting a. Oh, sorry. Kevin just sent me some developed images. They're very sweet. Okay, that was different. No, that's for me. Okay. But like, is it something that you quickly are doing, and then I can push update, and then we can see whether it's fine, or what's the situation? But yeah, Doig, we are stress testing Twitchmata to see if we can get it to work properly. I don't know what this is planning for, like all the sub testing, but yeah. Oh, and Doig, if you are on 1.3.6 and you're still having issues with bits, then it's on you, because I don't know. I don't have that error anymore. Let's do the rest. Okay. So how can we do that? Because I can outgo raid, but how are we gonna do that? Don't think it's on Dog, but I think it might be Neverending Tomorrow. It's past 3 a.m. Nix, thank you so much for the raid. Rest your body. Remember to hydrate after all those weight lifts, and thank you for the raid. That's so kind of you. None of your redeems work. Interesting. Grizz, can you open up your overlay, do a couple of redeems, and then maybe send me the error log? Just so we can kind of figure out if it's the similar issue that's happening. That'd be nice. Can you start a raid going and see if we get the console log? I just cancel it. You know what? I can just raid Doig Swift and see what happens. Okay, we're not getting more errors, but I don't know when the actual thing is happening. Okay. No errors are occurring. Okay, cancel raid. Yeah, I don't want to raid them either way. I could maybe only activate Twitchmata after the server has been activated. I think that's a good idea, Doig. I think that's probably yeah. Oh, Doig, if you could try that now. If you could try that now, and then we can know if it's kind of working, that would be nice. Nice. Hi, Rusty. Yeah, listen, today's gonna be a weird one. We're just gonna do a bunch of weird shit. I was tempted to just raid somebody and to just see it to its end to see if it actually worked, but maybe later. Oh, I'm not even looking at the Discord chat. Did we get normal info log on the outgoing raid? No, we didn't get any logs. I can actually, you know what, let me just close and open up again so we have a clean log so we can have a look at it. You know what, Splood, you're not wrong. Let's just try and raid. Let's try and raid Rusty this time. Okay, it seems that it's fine. I'm just gonna get to the point where it actually starts to count down. Yeah, no, outgoing raid seems fine. Outgoing raid seems fine. Outgoing raid seems fine. Only seeing errors. Oh shit, you're not wrong. Cancel raid. Preparing to raid. Receiving outgoing raid notification. Okay, so receiving outgoing raid notification, preparing to raid, canceled raid. Okay. Got it. Nice. Okay. That's weird. That redeem didn't give an error. How do we feel about that, Dizzy? I'm doubling up. Yeah, no, that's good. It's doubling. Yeah, no, that's because I have 2 overlays running at the same time. Severance. I have not seen Severance, and everybody... Well, not everybody, but... Yeah, no, I just haven't seen Severance. We were not getting errors that time. That was a redeem that worked fine. Let me try the King in Yellow thing again. Okay, so that does give a thing. It's possible to have no bot access token. Do you have a bot that you have authorized? Don't use a chat bot. You might have to. I mean, I know it says optional, but the question is, if you make it a bot account, then you have to like authorize and everything. Yeah, I know what the documentation says. It's optional. Yeah, that might be something to clarify, that optional or use main account. I thought it became less optional as time went on. Yeah, I was kind of assuming it was that kind of thing. Do I have follow manager? No, because I'm not doing anything with that. Yeah, no, I'm not doing anything with that. I mean, I could make a quick follow manager and just put in a debug log if you think that's fine. Yeah, no, everybody, if you do redeems right now, you're getting double for your money. Please, yes. Dookie dookie. I could be more like Sheldon. Seek my love in a different way. Alright. Fair enough. Right. Remind me how the fuck I'm doing this. So I need to just... Can I... Chat Arena. Should probably just call like Twitch follow manager. Oh, also, people who use Unity, if you've ever experienced this issue where your scripts are hidden, but they are there, but you can't show them, if you know how to fix it, please let me know, because... Oh yeah, fuck it up! No longer doubled. Yeah, because I closed the other overlay, so that one's not doubled. I mean, I guess we need to call it at some point. Hey, do you have like a template for like a follow manager? Just kind of grab one out real quick. Just saying, I was thinking. Doom 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 doom. Modify change follow manager. And then do we need to do anything, or is this fine? Do we just assume that? Well, I can put it on an object in the meantime. I think the chatbot thing. Yeah, I think it's when it became events up, the chatbot became a bit more of a necessity. Adding in the lodges only on Twitchmata on server start. Yeah, good idea. If it fixes it, please let us know. Thank you, Dizzy. Ball manager. Go. Got him there. Boop. Do. You should add a redeem to let chat write code. Arbitrary code execution redeem. I like the idea, but I'm kind of a fan of making sure that everybody can play along, which is why with the Node redeem song, we also have a songbook so everybody can try something. So for that, I don't want to exclude fun to only people who know how to play code. No, don't buffer overflow me, dude. Quick, no! Just realized I switched to stream. No, it's fine. It's good. I stopped looking at the Discord chat, so it's fine. I should that did anyway for host to listen to switching. I hope that fixes it. Print butts. 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 That buzzed. Crap, don't click that. I'm gonna click that. Let's start. Okay, so, yes, I'm reading Discord chat. I'm gonna click it. Aww. I have no permission to bust nut. I hate it here. Stupid. Stupid, can't do anything. Can't even nut. Can't even bust a fit nut. Shout out to Bust a Nut. Oh shit, it's an actual account. Fuck. I'm gonna unfollow. Yeah. I'll start the overlay, and then you can do whatever you want. I'll probably also look at the console. Gonna click there. All right. Channel follow subscriptions created. Okay. All right. Dizzy, I am talking to you and busting a nut. It's called multitasking. Jesus. Thank you for the follow. Diacead Beans. The fucking stupid username. So I did get a log for it, so that's something. That worked. Nice. Hey Dizzy, could you do me a favor and quickly just type in chat to see if you're still a mod? I'm just curious. I will borf. I am. Okay, just want to make sure. All right. So that's good. No one can strip this power from me, not even God. Yeah, no, keep saying that. But in manage rewards, throws an error. I have sometimes had issues. If you go to your Twitch redeem manager and delete all the redeems and then boot up the overlay again, it should create them all. I've sometimes had an issue where, like overlapping creating redeems when like re-updating Twitchmata sometimes fucked up the redeems. Okay, just subs left. Correct. If you ever encounter God in your chat, God will be banned. Oh, we just like perma-banned God. It was easy. Just preemptively do that. So what's your idea with the give sub and sub? Overlay is running. Overlay is running. Everything is fine. Not touching anything. It would be funny if I just did that though. Okay. Valkyrie VP. Oh my god, Dizzy. Thank you so much. No errors thrown. Valkyrie P received from B. Okay. Give sub seems to be fine. Wait, what's your idea with subs? Because you are not subbed currently. Or you are. Yes, it only ran once. Okay, you were worried about like double stuff. Stop the overlay. Yes. If you say so. Like Twitch manager? Boop. Click use debug server. Boop. There we go. And then start it again. Shout out to Jesus Christ. Open a command. Oh, like, oh, right. Like we did. Yeesh. I probably shouldn't show this on stream. It's fine to show. Okay. Dog might like to see. Oh, you're making the local server thing. Dog! We're making a local server for Twitchmata stuff. Do. And hook. Shit. Didn't work. Eat pant. Have cowman. I'm thick. Yeah, you are. Twitch, not Twitchmata. Right. So we're making a local server of Twitch. It's like Twitch events. So now we can simulate a lot of stuff. Now it's started to overlay. Have cowman. Boop. Daisy said that this was very important and very cool to do, and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna pay attention though. Yeah, so we can do an extra thing. New command window. Yimsh. So we have a local server running now. And now we have a new thing. Okay, so you're just simulating the subscription event. That's probably for the better. And okay, let's have a look. We are looking at 13 and 2. 14, 16, 2. Test from user subscribed. Connection complete 2. Okay. How the fuck do I reference Twitch manager from any other script? Can't you just Twitch manager, and then reference it in the inspector?
I don't know, like Erg.
I don't know, Erg. I don't know, Erg. It's a combination. Hi, Kursik. I cannot get a bot to post in other servers that I don't manage. I don't know, Erg. Yeah, no, if you could just get bots to post in other servers without like accessing it, that would be a huge liability. That would not work. Do 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 do. I mean, it looks like we've checked off all the things. So if Doig is still having errors, that pretty much makes networking the prime syndicate, like the prime candidate, because that's like the major thing that's different. I mean, Twitch manager network behavior, but it doesn't seem to like it. Yeah. Doig, this is gonna sound pretty fucking stupid and like the dumbest solution possible, but can you make in a delay script that basically just waits 5 seconds to initiate Twitchmata? Like, just something as stupid as that. Because if it's matter of like, oh, you need network managed to be established before Twitchmata. Yeah, no, I was kind of assuming that because I don't call Twitchmata at any point. It just automatically goes with start. Wait, can you use can you use an awake? Because awake happens before start. So can you put it in an awake command and basically say hold all other processes until the network has been established and then start running things in the start? I replaced the start function with not the start function, which is fine. I love that my stream has now turned into we're debugging Doig's thing. Can't call it from anywhere else. No, no, this is fine. Listen, we're trying to make this shit work, and you know it's fine. It's funny. I like it. Listen, I just get to listen to music and kind of just vibe. I could have a look at the notebook thing. Well, no. There's a couple of things I wanted to do actually. First of all, there's a bunch of things I've hidden that I probably should just get unhidden. Oh wait, this is in start function. AP is fine. Camera, we can just kind of show the character again. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Well, okay. I can also I can talk to people about this in the meantime. But part of what I've been doing with the character creator is to make it so that it kind of responds to the normals of the object I'm on, which means that if I can change the gravity system to kind of work in a similar way, where the gravity vector is based on part of it here, I can apply that to the car, and then we can have a car to go beep beep. I think it's working. I hope, Chris. I hope it's as easy as that. Well, something else is happening. Whoa. We're fixing all the issues. Okay, but it seems like mine's fine. Oh wait, Dizzy, should I go off the experimental or yeah, should I go off the experimental? Or like, what's the plan here? Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh, also in the meantime, Doig was very kind and sent me a function that they have been writing today, which is basically a magnet script. So whoever holds it can either attract or repel things around them. I was thinking, what if I had a new redeem which basically turned on the magnet and it worked only on rats, so you could make a rat king. Would that be anything? Would that be fun for people? This works. Well, dog, then it's gonna look too much like the thing you have, and you know how I feel about stuff like that. I want to make it mine. I need to change it in some capacity. This general. Yeah, that was King Bob. All right, let's. I suggested the feature. Yeah, but you implemented it. If you had said no, I would probably have made it for myself. Now you say you're welcome. Thank you, Doig. You're welcome, I guess. Thank you, Doig, for sending the script back to me. Yeah, what's up, Dizzy? Do you have things you want to say? Hey, fuck yeah, Grizz. Nice. I'm gonna make experimental into 1.3.7. I'm gonna add a function for Doig. Do I need to do anything other than press update at some point, or do I need to uninstall and get off the experimental branch? I'm not really sure how that works. Other than update, shouldn't need to. Perfect. You could change the variable name Renee. No, I think it's fine. No, the idea of like just putting it on red pile and then make it a redeem where the user that redeems it turns on the magnet for them and then puts it on a timer where when the timer is done, it just does a repulse. So basically every rat is being attracted to this one rat, and then when the timer is up, poof, boom. You'll have to uninstall. See, that was what I was asking for. Thank you. Yeah. I'm assuming that's not well. If you're making the function for Doig, I'm assuming it's not ready yet. Aura, hello. Aura, I saw what you made for Lowy. Very good. Very good. Beep, 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 beep. I'm also assuming that if I just take the previous git thing and just remove the experimental part, then the thing should be fine. I'm gonna go off the experimental and back to the non-experimental. We're gonna have about 147 errors. Git and 8. Didn't like that. I didn't like that. What's your fucking issue, dude? Wait, why I didn't like that? Is that what I'm supposed to do? Is that not what I'm supposed to do? Oh. Oh, it has to have the dot. Well, didn't it have the dot git? Or did I remove that? Up, 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 up. Okay, now it's working. Okay, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't talk to me. Don't look at me. Don't talk to me. Don't look at me. Don't talk to me. I'm fine. Thank you, everybody, for your help. Don't look at me. Hup. Do 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 do. All right. It gives 5 errors. I should probably just run and see what happens. Yeah, we're down to 2. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay. I'm assuming at 1.3.7, that's when it's in a state where we can probably say that's good. Yeah? Hopefully? I hope so. Huh? Oi, who you going to get? The question is whether or not wait, this is just a songbook. This one is here. We don't have the search leniency yet. Dizzy said that was going to be very difficult. And this is just a song book. This is not the actual thing that does the thing. Which might be in Twitch? Wait, let me have a look. Boop. Boop. Script. Oh, prop, songbook. No. My replacement keyboard and drawing tab both arrived at the same time on charge. Yeep. Hell yeah, Juno. Welcome back to the internet. There's a lot of porn here. But hope you enjoyed. Piano redeem. Why did I place you here? Oh well. All my redeems working build again. Fuck yeah! Happy to hear it, Chris. Good shit. I can be floof. I can be big. So what's the situation, Dizzy? Are we good? Are you making 1.3.7? You know, stuff like that. Just push 1.3.7. Nice. Mortal Kombat. Now the question is, does this work for Doik? Or more importantly, does it work for me? Boop, boop. Console seems fine. There's no immediate anger. It's still getting the redeem thing. I don't know if you're fine with that. Yeah, that's not fixed yet. Okay, fair enough. Okay, yeah, it's not breaking anything. It's just okay, fair enough. I only have 10 fingies, but what if you use your toes though? What if you use your toes? Have you considered using your toes? Alright, Doig is testing whether that fixes their overlay. And everybody say that Dizzy's great. Otherwise, I'm gonna end you. First person to say something nice gets timed out for 2 weeks. What you gonna do now, Dizzy? Check fucking mate. I just jumped the grenade. Yeah, no, Dizzy, you can't do it. You said the first one. Hi, Joanna. Dizzy, can you do it to Joanna? Is that what? That's what we're saying. Like, can you do it? Can you actually do it? Also, in between streams, I have fixed. I've somewhat fixed this. So I can actually pick up and drop stuff now. I realized what the error was, but I probably should refine it a bit more. But, you know, I only have 10 fingers. I'm just a little guy. Just a little goblin guy. You know, let's take a moment to go into the memorial. Well, I don't want to call it memorial garden, but it's the atrium. We got a Pokebot. Beep boop, hi Pilky. Wee. You know, let me just do a little bit of a whoop. There we go. This is a good screen. I like this. This is something. Dizzy is cool. Dizzy is cool. I agree. Very nice. Okay, we can stop rounding the overlay. And did we fix stuff, or did we just? I probably should make a new build. Uppies, yeah. Uppies. Let's see if there's anything else I wanted to do. So there is another thing I potentially could do, which is that I am also joining a different game of D&D. This is not a thing that will be streamed, so I'm less inclined to make the character here, but it is something I can do. I guess that kind of depends on like what I want to do, and I might not want to do that. He's so funny and hot and delightful, and they have a wonderful brain. Full homo. I mean, you are posting the very specific gift that just says like, I am smooching these. Let's see here. I'll say one thing for Dizzy. Day one pizza. Dizzy deserves pizza. If Doig's overlay works. If the overlay doesn't work, Dizzy has been a very bad boy and does not deserve pizza. There, I said it. Sub money for pizza. Yeah, sub to Renee right here. So Dizzy can get pizza. I don't know. Dizzy. There was a period where I was considering changing the Dizzy command to have you eaten, like nothing else. There's that. I mean, I typed the function I added as launch deferred because I'm typing too fast. You're so fast. You're just like, I don't know, some sort of hedgehog. Some sort of blue hedgehog moving at light speed. We should call him Light. Light the hedgehog. What if I talk? Man, I kind of wish that the close gate was a little snappier, so I could be like bop, 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 and tap my foot. But it doesn't do that. Like from Death Note. I don't know what the fuck you're on about, Juno. I don't watch weep shit. I only watch cool shit with babes in it. And hot dudes. Hot dudes and babes. Okay, hey, can I just say something real quick? I love the fact that Dizzy's Fugi is slightly blurred compared to Tuft, because it just looks like Dizzy is running away and I am in focus. Don't be mean to Juno, he's had a busy day. Juno has a keyboard and a drawing tablet, and they can, you know, they can take a little bit of hardship in life. There, I said it. It's not like Juno's living the perfect life with no problems at all. Oh wait, I forgot they're living in the UK. I'm sorry, Juno. I had to talk to a doctor at 9 a.m. I was at work at 8. That's like 5 a.m. for me. Go to bed or it's fine. I hope you had a productive talk with your doctor and they weren't being stinky. I hope that they were being nice to you and they were being helpful. But we know it's the NHS, so they're probably overworked and stressed and everything. Stop using your straight privileges? No! I don't wanna! Ramens, you would love this. So one of the new responses from the King in Yellow is that it's not always about you, you know. They were being nice. Then you said it's gonna help for mental health. Let's go, but it went good. Ooh. Okay, I'm happy that it was a good experience. Let me actually show you the various commands that they have. If I have access to it, channel points. Oh, like this? No, apparently not like that. Communion. Ba, 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 ba. Exact same code. Dog, what do you want about? From Dizzy, but for Dizzy it works. Oh. Huh. Well, piss. Dog, you did it right. Yeah. Can I get emote only? Definitely pizza. You're adding, yeah, okay, so the new response that I really want is it does not have to be about you all the time, you know. And it makes me very happy. Wow, you're being Brad tamed. How does it feel, Aura? How does it feel that the Eldritch God doesn't give a shit about you? It's not posting the Kofi Sage, which is weird. I mean, I might need to like figure out. Awesome. Cthulhu is Brad taming me out. Woo! You know what? Let me try. Wait. Oh, the awakening is nigh. Oh shit. I want to keep some of the like Eldritch ominous ones, but God, I am tempted to take them out and just put shitpost in all of them. But I feel like some of them should be like esoteric. It makes the Bazinga one kind of stand out a bit more, you know? Daytona. It's not picking the fun ones. Okay, is there anything else we can do that could be fun? Like, we have the one that turns emote only mode on. Is there other things? Is there other ways that we can abuse the Twitch system to kind of make some random self-imposements happening? I don't want to ban people. I might time out. Could be fun. Curse of Ra. Just a full. Well, it's. Could I make it? No, I don't want to. I don't want to give it a voice. I don't want to give it a TTS voice. Did everybody see how Adobe went into Blue Sky and been like, "Hey, what's up, Blue Sky? We love artists," and everybody dunked on them so hard that they ended up deleting the skeet. God, that was good. That was so good. It felt good. It felt good when the corporates go into the Blue Sky and to be like, "Hey, what's up, fellow kids?" and everybody just start from like flaming dog shit at them. Updated Twitchmata, didn't re-authenticate, but it still works. One that times me out specifically. What if... Okay, this might be more complicated. But if it said, like, I have found a sacrificial lamb, and it just takes random. It just takes a random user in the user list and just times them out. Nah. Deferred launch is working, Dizzy. Hell yeah. Pog. I'm assuming that means Pog. Adobe keeps sending me server emails about how I feel about their AI features to choices along the lines of I like it to I love it. Really? There is nothing of like, please remove this feature? That's fucked up. I think when Reb was like posting about it on Blue Sky, my response was like, do they not know what their public opinion is? Are they stupid? Apple bottom jeans, lawns with the fur, and the whole club looking at her. She boot her server. Next thing you know, going get low. Doig, I know you have quite a impressive audio setup. Can you make one of the chaos events fuck with like voice modulation? Can you make it like pitch down? Apple nutted ween. He got the fur. My lungs are strong and will soon be clean. Brett, what was it, like 1 day down? That's pretty good. We don't use voice mod presently. Damn it. But think of the idea though. Just if it took audio, like if it took the final audio and just pitched it down. Gives up only spawns one chest now. Everybody, I think Dizzy has been a very smart bean and has fixed Doig's whole shit. Rebufferoni. Yeah. Reb, have you ever considered having a buff emote, but it's just Melvin being fucking swole as shit? Think about it. I mean, the good thing was that we kind of tested it, and I like that idea. You can have it. That's free. First one's always free. I was actually okay. So Aura's been talking about reinstating the timeout, and I was like, I don't know what to use with the timeout, and I was thinking using the back alley trash time where Melvin is, and timeout just sends you out there, and maybe also just disables your teleport commands. Let's celebrate until tomorrow when everything breaks again inexplicably. Well, I feel like at this point we can just say that Doig, just fix your networking. And then, I don't know. Did raid incoming gets any update? Duns cap? No, because sometimes people just want to time out themselves. Like, it's not necessarily you did a bad. They're just like, I need to leave the premise right now. Bits and subs working for me. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck yeah, dude. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Imagine getting timeout for no reason. Sage, you know what to do. Bouncer rats escort them out. Well, that is Schnoo. When Schnoo finishes their model and sends it to me, we can have a bouncer rat. I might even make just one teleport point that's just for... Bye, Beba. Yeah, maybe just have one teleport spawn point that's just for Schnoo. Visual learner. Bye, Beba. I miss Beba. I really gotta focus on ordering my pizza or I'll keep forgetting. Oh, it's fine, DC. I'm just gonna say this. Let me just quickly do this real quick. Order pizza. 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 Just imagine the toughness yelling at you to order pizza. Dizzy, what pizza are you getting? Dizzy, stop ordering pizza and tell me what pizza you're getting. I aim to please. No, you are pleasing, so you live to please. Dizzy, have you ordered pizza? Dizzy, what pizza are you ordering? Why haven't you told me what pizza you're ordering? I'm having too much fun with this Fugi. It's kind of a problem. It's kind of a problem that I'm having too much fun with the Fugi. Yeah, what's up, Sage? Wow. He's not having it. Not having it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Aura. Choke the rat for me? For you? Always. Oh. Oh, Sage, I don't have access to the soundboard in this... Oh, maybe I do. What the fuck? Why can't I see it? That's weird. I'm not planning on Scrambles talking in tomorrow's one-shot, by the way. That's fine, Doig. I prefer to listen to myself speak, so that's actually perfect for me. Yeah, Sage went in and extracted the rat shaker and rat squeeze sound for the soundboard. Oh, there it is. This just sounds like Dan Evidan. It really just sounds like Dan Evidan to me. It's probably not, but probably. It's the soundboard of raccoon noises. Doig. Yeah, hey Doig, if you're not gonna talk, could you at least have just a soundboard of raccoon sounds? My doggo is very confused of you barking. What if I went? Ow, 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 ow. Sounds like a Markiplier? I don't know. This sounds like very Dan to me. Like this comes off as Dan Evidan to me. There is no love. Fascinating. Yeah. Listen, let me just make this better for everybody. With this. This is one of those. This emote is highly specific, but holy shit, it hits. It's really good. Get real, bucko. No, it's a no. It's potent.
Ho ho ho.
Green giant.
It really is. Okay, so Dizzy has gotten pizza and they're now in scamp mode. I'm assuming. I should probably. I placed an order. Yippee! Dizzy, do you want to work on songbook stuff or how are you feeling? Mpreg W. It's very good. It's very good is what it is. You do, Biddy. Yeah. Because you really wanted to add chords, right? So I'm just curious as to what the idea is there. Make decisions because my brain is dead forever. That is so fine. Yeah, no, I think. Well, I mean, if Mal is still around. Okay. If Mal is still around. Hi, hey Mal. Is there a feature of the piano? Actually, Juno, you can also speak up. Is there a feature for the piano thing that you think is like, this is the one thing I really want? Because I think we've talked about making chords, making that possible, but I don't know if there's anything else specific you want to do. Don't say just extend it. I'm probably not gonna extend it. I like the limitations. Okay. Interesting. I appreciate that. And Juno is getting paid, so I think Juno is preoccupied. Notes, BPM, sound. So you're thinking different instruments? Is that the idea? Because if that is, then I feel like I would just need to get a huge sound library. I would need to talk to Ghost about that. Just drop in the Mario piano sounds. It's doable, but paint sounds. Do we have them lying around? Because I don't. Also, just a quick little. Good. Good. I mean, we could also just say that the piano redeem is pretty good. Shake. Rat shaker. Because I also like the limitations. But I don't know. You're having more fun with the music, so I feel like I do want to listen to you. Monophonicness makes it sillier. I'm glad you liked it. Then I could probably look at my list of things I wanted to do and then have a decision there. Oh, right. I was like, I'm seeing an error, but that was the error we already know about. I don't mind switching back to Viewerland. Yes. Boop. There we go. Bye, Dizzy. Alright, it's just me now. I'm assuming this is what you meant. If not, oops. I probably also should close these now. Wow. Is that not what you meant? Can I share doggo picture? Of course. Yeah, it is. That's also an early quote. It is you from above in goblin mode. Yims. Do. That is a dog. That is a dog that did some crimes. Yep. There we go. Oh, hello. Ooh. Oh, it's Juno. Juno never change. I don't know how you manage to perfectly stand still there, but that's very good. Mario Paint instrument sounds. Uh-huh. Holy shit, you did. Let me have a look at this. Don't forget to use. Wait. Untick. It was unticked. When did I untick that? Huh? Wait, what? I mean, there's only 16 here, but I do like this. What was that sound? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's like a bargain and meow. Yeah, I heard something different. KKB used these. Well, You hear it, right? That's a baby? Yeah, it is. This baby girl. Sexy baby. It's sexy baby time. But what if? Well, I mean, there's way more. I'm at work. Do you have like me on loudspeakers? I don't know. That seems like a you problem. Boop. Doig is freelancing so hard so they can get off from work. Bum, 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 bum. I mean, Dizzy did write this, so I'm having a hard time editing it. It's fine. I should probably be better at it. I did write this one though. Front board and bass guitar seems useful. I mean, I'm not really sure what the idea is, because since there is 16 notes, I'm assuming that it would be that you would say or is there like a full octave, or is there 3 full octaves of these sounds? Because otherwise I'm having a hard time figuring out how to utilize this, you know? Yep. Yeah. Do. In game it just repitches them. Oh yeah, I don't know. I think I would need to install like, I don't know if Unity natively can repitch stuff, so I might have to like install fmod or something, which is a time. So kind of hesitant. Yum, 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 yum. I guess, I mean, an idea could be that I just get a different instrument, and then you can say like piano or saxophone. I can also batch convert. I'll keep it in mind. Also, no more music. Why did music no more? Boop. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Fmod just for sound pitching sounds like overkill. Yeah, but I was also considering Fmod at some point because of things like adaptive music, which I was talking to Ghost about at some point. And their Fmod would be very useful for like mixing tracks in a dynamic way. So it's like it's a tick in the box of like compiling the need for Fmod at some point. Which still seems like overkill, but you know. The idea I like, but I might want to focus on other things. Like I really want the car to work. I really want a little car that goes beep beep. But I've also realized that at my current skill level, I'm not comfortable writing on stream, like writing code on stream. I'm like, bleh. I feel like I'm extremely slow. Like, I get shit done when I'm by myself. But on stream, I get very self-conscious about coding, so I don't like doing it right now. It's not really that much. It's really not that much. And it's really not that much. I have a very short list of things that I like prioritized, and then a bunch of ideas of like, maybe someday. Beep beep, for example, it's one of them. Let's see. Was there something that I wanted to do, or did I account for a lot of time just in case things broke aggressively? I might have accounted for a lot of extra time in case things broke aggressively. Yeah. I could? What's up, Dizzy? Yes, Dizzy, I saw this one earlier. It was very good. See thyself within the golem, Shinji. Dizzy, I was at lunch. I was having dinner at the time. Debug raid command? Nice. I don't post things and get no attention. I was literally not here. I don't know what you want from me. Like, should you have DM'd me on Discord so I could run to the computer? Also follow a Baboni, and then I could laugh at it so I could go back to it. Is that what you want from me? I'm just curious. God. Ori has very good emotes. Everybody go follow Ori. No, not Rebecca Roney. That's a completely different person. Come on, be real. I am considering ending stream here. I feel like we got good shit done, and I would probably just feel like I would be padding for time for 2 hours. Yeah. We need to make Reb make a alt account for Ebebeboni. Just because. We truly do. We truly do. Oh shit, I'm not logged into my own account. Because somebody needed to re-authenticate. Sorry I did about Subi. No worries. Yeah, you did so good. And Twitchmata is in a way stabler state now. So, you know, pizza and rest is earned. And then I need my authenticator up. Yeah, no, I'm considering just calling it a day. Like, you know, sometimes you can just call a day. Where's my authenticator app? Here we go. Happy Easter egg, rock and or stone. Oh shit, you're right. I should probably find some time to play Deep Rock while there is Easter happening. How about... Oh. It does not have to be about you all the time, you know? Yeah, I was about to say Risto. Because I don't think we ever raid Risto. Just because they start after us and ends before. So yeah, let's go say hi to Risto. Thank you everybody for joining me today. Especially thank you, Dizzy, for all your patience and cool work. You'll be able to find me tomorrow on Lady V's channel, where I will be joining for a one-shot where I'll be playing Tough the Dog. In the meantime, we'll be heading over to Risto, who is a wonderful friend, and they're also an amazing 3D modeler. And they have actually made the chandelier that is in the theater. So, you know, they are a good egg. So we're gonna say hi to them. And you'll see me tomorrow, but I'll be back on my own channel on Sunday doing something. I should probably plan something. You know? So yeah. Boop. That was the shout out. You know what? That's close. It's not really it. There it is. But yeah, we'll be heading over to Risto. Dizzy is posting the same thing again. Very funny. Dizzy, ha 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 ha, ha 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 ha. Get in the golem, Shinji. Somebody hasn't gotten their pizza yet. But yeah, I'm gonna send you over to Risto. We have a read me shit. Yeah, no, it gets funnier each time. Boop. There we go. Do. But yeah, thank you everybody for joining. Take care, Lovesick. And I don't know, I'll see you around. I'll see you when I see you. Bye everybody, bye-bye.